Ever dreamt of building wealth but felt intimidated by the stock market? Enter robo-advisors like Raize, promising automated investing with a few clicks. But with any investment, safety is paramount. So, is Raize safe? Let's dive in and explore. Raize is an Australian robo-advisor, meaning it uses algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and goals. It's known for its user-friendly interface and low fees. Sounds convenient, right? But with convenience comes questions: how safe is my money with Raize? Safety measures, let's break it down. There are several layers of protection to consider. Account security. Raize uses industry-standard encryption to safeguard your personal and financial information. They also offer two-factor authentication for added login security. Regulatory oversight. Raize is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC. This means they adhere to strict financial regulations designed to protect investors. Asset segregation. Your invested funds are held separately from Raize operational funds. This means even if Raize encounters financial difficulties, your investment remains secure. Understanding investment risks. It's important to remember that any investment carries inherent risks. The stock market fluctuates, and your portfolio value can go down as well as up. Raize aims to minimize risk through diversification, but it's not a guaranteed path to riches. Raize risk management approach. Raize utilizes a diversified investment strategy, spreading your money across various assets like stocks and bonds. This helps mitigate risk by reducing exposure to any single market downturn. Additionally, Raize offers different risk profiles based on your investment goals, from conservative to growth-oriented. Alternatives and diversification. While Raize offers a convenient way to invest, it might not be the only solution. Consider your overall financial plan. For example, maxing out retirement accounts with low-risk options is another way to build wealth. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The takeaway: weighing safety and risk. Raize offers security features and regulatory oversight, mitigating the risk of losing money due to fraud or mismanagement. However, the inherent risks of the stock market still apply. So, is Raize investment safe? It depends on your definition of safe. Raize implements measures to protect your account and investments, but the market itself can be volatile. Call to action. Do your research, understand risk tolerance, and consider Raize as part of a diversified investment strategy. Before investing, consult a financial advisor if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy and safe investing.